Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video training course are included for only $30 per month. So the Aussie dollar on the monthly has been going down pretty strong. We are at a trend level, and if this is more like a running correction, then it definitely could end up turning there and going up for the wave Y. If it's an expanding correction, then it probably will extend beyond that, taking out these lows before it actually does end up continuing back up. Hopefully we'll just be going with the flow on shorter time frames, so either scenario shouldn't affect us much. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where I still think that this is 5 waves up. That's the impulsive up. So you got 3 waves down, you got 1, 2, 3 waves up. Most likely this is a 333 pattern or a 335 pattern. It looks like it should be a 335, which means that this is likely all part of a downtrend that may or may not be getting close to being over. Like I said, if it is a running pattern, it could bounce out to 78% and start a brand new uptrend. If it's an expanding pattern, then this move up is a correction to the last move down, and it's going to continue down, taking out the lows before it actually does continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the daily, the trend is definitely still down on the daily. Now, unless it goes up and breaks this high right here, this move up that we're currently getting could very likely be a correction to this last move down. So if we do get 3 waves up to any one of these Fibonacci levels and then a nice engulfing move to the downside on shorter time frames, then I definitely would continue to look for shorts, at least until we have more proof that the trend is back up. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. Now we definitely do have what looks to be like a nice 5 waves up. It looks like a potential wave A or maybe even a wave 1. I was actually originally thinking that this could already have made an ABC, but it kind of looks like 1 down, maybe 3 up. So maybe we're actually in like a wave B still or a wave 2, and that this is actually going to turn out to make either a wave C, which would go up to a Fibonacci level and then turn back down, or it's going to make a wave 3, which would still bounce from Fib levels, but it would never break structure, and it would just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, the trend is definitely still up. Now the part that kind of makes me think that this is going to go down a little bit more is this is definitely impulsive. This is also impulsive. This looks very corrective, and then this is impulsive. So that makes me think that this is an ABC, probably an ABC or B, and this is like an A, and this is potentially still going down for like a wave C. So that would be an A, a B, and a C. Most likely an ABC correction to the 5 ways up over here, which is either an A or a 1. A, B, C, B, or 2. The next move up should be a 3 or a 2, 3 or a C, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.